Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Facebook and signing in. Make sure you're on the account you intend to edit. Once signed in, go directly to your profile and tap or click Friends to load the list. You should glance through names now and decide if you'll remove single people or work with custom lists. This avoids accidental mass deletions. From here, find the first friend you want to remove and open their profile to access the friend options. You now remove friends one by one. On each person's profile, click or tap the Friends button and choose Remove Friend, then confirm the action. That severs the friend link immediately. Once done, make sure to check mutual friends and privacy settings so you're not surprised by residual visibility. If you want less drastic steps, use Take a Break or Restrict lists to reduce contact without removing someone entirely. Repeat this procedure steadily until you've processed the desired names. You wrap up by reviewing your friends list to confirm each removal, refresh the page, or restart the app to ensure changes stick. If a removal fails, make sure you've updated the app, cleared cache, or switched to a desktop browser and try again, because temporary bugs or rate limits can block actions. For large cleanups, consider deactivating the account briefly or using built-in privacy lists instead, and remember, removed people aren't notified, but they can still request to re-add you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.